actually starts. There is like a clip of me from like 3 years ago when I first went to Steak and Shake, and there's a clip of me like today. So that's like basically a comparison. I try to remake some of the things that I said in that video. And also the idea for this video was actually from Renaya. Hey Renaya, if you're watching this video. Anyways, I'll let you guys watch the video.
But instead it's in Florida. And like Florida has a lot of things to do. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. And yeah.
And there's a whole new adventure.
It's amazing. Oh, and by the way, my birthday is in 13 days. Yes, in 13 days. I haven't been talking about my birthday not much on my YouTube channel, but my birthday is in 13 days. And this food is amazing. I forgot my chicken in the honey dip. Anyway. Real good.
Oh, good.
And a bunch of fries.
This is the fanciest restaurant we have ever went to in Florida.
It's not fancy, but the food tastes good.
What's up, guys? We're at Steak and Shake 3 years ago. I had my first Steak and Shake chicken tenders with my dad and my sister, you know? And I got Adidas shoes. Nike.
So just go to the eating.
3 years ago.
I think they want to see you eat instead of talk.
Got burgers and a milkshake. Outfit check. Shoes. Yeah. And this burger. It's so nice, guys. Let's take a bite. That was a reference of what I did 3 years ago. I said, "Oop, I left the chicken tender in the honey mustard."
My burger isn't functioning.
Well, I got my hair done today, and my parents have to go to Jamaica in 6 days, and I have to stay home. Guys, also, my birthday is in like 5 months.
130 something days.
It's in 5 months, guys. Not 13 days. I think this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm going to continue eating, and you guys go bye.